Hi everyone, hope you're doing absolutely awesome. This is going to be a quick look at the Kershaw 2131 Epistle. And as usual, I paid for this item with my own money. So let's take a quick look at this. We have a blade length of 3.05 inches or 77.5 millimeters and a weight of 2.1 ounces or 60 grams. The handles are aluminum with a steel liner on the lock side. Here's a size comparison next to a standard Bic lighter. On the plus side, this knife is light and compact, and I can still get a full forefinger grip on the handle. However, I'm not impressed with this knife overall. Let me go through a few of the reasons. First of all, it's super hard to open. At least this copy is. I can barely open it with one hand. I really struggle to open it. Another thing I don't like is this Beadblasted finish or Media Blasted finish. Media Blasted finishes should never be a finish on a blade, in my opinion, for a number of reasons. First of all, it promotes corrosion, and also you can't repair it unless you have a bead blaster or media blaster machinery. So it's just silly to put on a knife. Now maybe the pivot screw is just cranked down too hard, making the knife difficult to open. But shouldn't they have checked the operation of the knife before it left the factory? Another issue is the liner lock. The lockup is solid. However, disengaging the lock requires a lot of pressure, so it's not easy to close the knife. Another issue is the centering. It's off to this side a little bit. However, it's not rubbing. The grind of the secondary bevel is done pretty well. There is a small amount of flare near the tip, which is common on Kershaws. Also, there appears to be a small amount of recurve near the heel of the blade, but it's not a big issue. Overall, it looks pretty good on both sides. One thing I notice is that one handle appears to be slightly longer than the other one, so that's a bit strange. So would I purchase this knife again? No, I would not. It just seems to have too many shortcomings. Now, Kershaw can produce excellent budget folders, such as the Fraction. The Fraction is just a few grams lighter than the Epistle. It has a shorter blade length, but it's only a 1/4 inch shorter. And I like the ergonomics on the Fraction better than the Epistle. It's wider across the handle here, and it fits my hands better. If you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you could subscribe, like, and share, I'd really appreciate it. I'd like to thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye now.